Hi there, I'm Anton Graf and I'm a specialist for BMW electronics. My company is located in Hamburg, Germany, and in our videos we present you the common problems all BMW cars have. In this video we will discuss the topic of the steering lock. This is how it looks like, and all of BMW cars will sooner or later have problems with it. And to solve it at the BMW dealership will cost you about 3,000 euros, a lot of money, especially for the older cars. And in this video we will discuss the different solutions we have for this problem. Many problems we can solve by remote programming. We will send you such a cable and we will instruct you how to use it, to connect it between your car and a notebook. And then we can remotely code the car to solve many problems. Also, parts of this problem we can solve by remote programming, but it depends on your special case. So we have to look what kind of car you have, what year, and what is the actual problem, and then we have to decide what solution we can offer you by remote, or maybe we will send you some units for exchange, or you have to send us something to us. We will see, and depending where is your location. This problem is not only expensive, this is not the only problem. The problem is that if you pay 3,000 euro at the BMW dealership, you only have a 1 year warranty. And after 1 year, this problem can occur again, and it will occur sooner or later. Why it's so expensive? Because this steering lock system, it is one part of three parts. One part is the steering lock, another one is the engine control module, and the one is the immobiliser with the keys. So BMW dealership, they change all three of those because the steering lock is activated by the immobiliser, and the immobiliser has it's synchronically with the engine ECU. So if you not change all of those, the problem will not be solved. We have different solutions for this problem depending on what is your case. But in the world exist many problems, and we will discuss each of them. For example, one solution is to reset the ELV counter. Everybody can do it, but this will not hold long time. Sometimes it won't help at all. Sometimes it helps maybe for a couple of days, because this is not the only problem. In some cases, you can buy an emulator, and you put the emulator instead of this steering lock. But this also won't help because it's one of three parts. So either you change all three of them or repair, or the problem will come back. Our solution is to modify the car like the newer models. The newer models have no steering lock. This car we modified. So you see the ignition is off and the wheels are turning. So we modified the car in this way that the steering lock does not exist no more. Something that doesn't exist cannot break in future. So you invest one time in this to solve this problem, of course much more less than you pay at BMW, and the problem is solved forever. Also cars from 2007, 8, 9, in this time when this car was built, like the X5, the X6, the 7 Series, they also never had a steering lock because the premium cars, they never got it. And also the newer cars also. So we can modify the system that you won't have a problem no more in future. But your car is still safe. Your immobiliser will work, the keys will work, everything will be perfectly working except the steering lock. It will be not working no more. This is what we recommend and how to do it. It always depends on what is your case. In some cases, the car only don't start, the ignition don't work, but the steering wheel is still turning. In this case, we can solve it in many cases by remote. In some cases, the steering wheel is not turning no more. Normally, you have to send us this steering lock, but we have a solution how to help you not to send it to us. And it depends always on what kind of year of the car you have. So give us information, what kind of car you have, what is your situation, and we will find a solution for you that will help you and will work for forever. If you have some experience with these problems, friends who are driving BMW, share this video, comment in the commentary section what are your experience, and subscribe to our channel so you will be notified with the new videos and you learn what kind of problems there are and how to solve them. Thank you and see you next time.